when we're putting mics on stands, there's one way we do it and only one way that we do it the same way every time, which is, I'm sure you guys have all seen somebody take the microphone and start twisting the microphone onto the stand. It's a really unsafe way to do it, okay? What can happen is it's easy to drop the mic. Remember some of the mics we use, some of the condenser mics, that could be $1,000, could be a $1,500 mic. Alright. And you go ahead and put that mic on to that stand. So, we have another short stand over here, right? And somebody grab the short stand. What we're going to do is take this microphone off of this stand, and then we're going to put it on the short stand. So, want to undo the, you can just pull it out a little bit, and then, yeah, there you go. So you're always holding the mic in hand so that's stable. Is it going on? There you go. Nice job.
Yeah, TRS to what now?
TRS to
So
yeah.
Right on.
Stand like right here. Okay. Okay. That to lift up a little bit. Okay, once we kind of get
There's
that
the output of the same channel. There's still left channel also. Cool.
Okay. What happens when we have all of these mics wired and we have all of the slack of the cable over by the snake? What do you think the snake looks like? Snake looks like the little box, but we have a stack of 9 cables. So the mic stand of the mic that we're using. Okay? So I'll go ahead and do the kick drum first, and then we'll go through it. Each one of you guys will do the next one. And nice, clean, neat coil. We know that outputs go to inputs, so the output channel right of the keyboard now goes to where?
The right side? No, the left side.
Input of the right side of the DI, or channel 2 of the DI. This is a stereo DI. If we didn't have a stereo DI, what would we need? 2 outputs from the keyboards, we would need 2 DIs, right? As a stage check, you want to give them lots of signal. Tap it hard there. That's it. Tap it hard. And you keep tapping until you hear your front of house engineer say, that's good enough. They got it.
Okay, now bring it into the system. That's it.
That's good.
You satisfied?
Yeah.
Okay, bring it down. Mute it.
So you want to make sure you're communicating to your stage crew, okay? Because they're going to sit there and tap and give you a signal
That's
all
great.
day long.
We're good. We're good.
Say, we'll go to 2. Go to snare.
Snare, please. So, Billy, give some slow quarter notes to get a feel good on the. Okay. So, breathe, breathe. Just start trying to go to the Here, I'll just that ring is now. And belt here. Work as a team. That basic backbeat pattern is always that kick, snare, hat. Those are the kind of things that work together a lot of times. So even before going on to the toms, this is the time I'll get the drummer to just play a little backbeat pattern with a kick, snare, and hat. And just sort of balance them up. Make sure they sound good in the mix, okay? So... well, we just finished keys, so our next is going to be vocal. The vocal on. So James, you're checking the vocal stage left, okay? Which is this vocal here.
Oh.
Okay, and that's going to be your right or next vocal. So that's going to be your second channel here.
Oh, this one?
Uh-huh. Okay, so first of all, you want to get him to give you some signal. So you want to ask him to talk into his mic.
Key talk.
1, 2.
There you go.
1, 2. Check 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 1, 2. Check.
So reverb is coming off of aux 4 send.
Can you keep playing, please?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So that one you can turn down on stage a little bit. aux 4. So the band's just going to play. They're going to go through and just play. They're going to have
Just do everything I did. I like nobody else. 13. And I need you beside me. Hey, I wanna give you myself. Well, if I hurt you and you feel bad, but your tenderness makes me so
Don't get caught up in the one genre of music. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I see we got a couple white guys here, a couple black guys. You know, a rock band is not, the sound is not going to be run the same way a go-go band is going to sound. It's not going to sound the way an acoustic band or a jazz band is going to sound. So get familiarized with each genre type, with each genre that you're going to be working in or whatever like that. And once again, give whatever the musicians want, and also get them to play together. Once you get everybody tuned, get them always get them to play together. Because what does band mean? Band means one sound. So
on the band side, I also do engineer side, just like y'all do. And the main thing that you always want to come is the band play too loud. So sometimes you got to come and say, band, quiet down so I can give me a nice mix. So I'm doing both sides. You got to be able to, you know, and me being as a drummer and also being as an engineer, I know both sides.
You spent 4 Saturdays, 4 hours at a time here, paid attention. I think, and I hope you all learned something from it. You know, we talked about it the very first day. You guys should congratulate yourselves and pat yourselves on the back. 'Cause there's a lot of other stuff you could have been doing for these 4 Saturdays. A lot of other stuff. You chose to do something for your own self. You chose to do something for your own education. You chose to do something that's going to benefit you. A lot of things we talked about in here aren't just about doing sound. There's a lot of life lessons we talked about, aren't there?
Yeah.
You know, kind of one thing we said last week, right? If you're early, what are you? On time. If you're on time, you're late. And late is, yeah, that's not just engineering. You know, that's a life skill. Good luck on show tonight. See you tomorrow.
I liked the class a lot. It was real fun.
My name is Darian Vincent Harmon. I'm 17 and I thought it was really fun. It was great information that I can use when I because I've gotten accepted into Berkeley for audio engineering. So it's great material to know for when I go to school.
My name is Trevor Brown. I'm 18. I thought this program was fun. I learned a lot. I'll definitely do it again. And now I know what I'm doing when I set stuff up.